Hey everybody, this is Dustin, Urban Specialist. So I'm just doing a quick recap. We did a new roof on this here just a while back. Turned out really nice. As you can see, everything's sealed up good. Got the new Maxxair 2 in there. New Skylight. New fantastic fan, or Maxxair fan vent lid. Those are the original ones. Got 2 Skylights. So I'm just, doing a quick little recap of it. It came back in for something else. But I think we did it within the last couple weeks, but it looks fantastic. So I just want to do a quick pan of it, let you see that if you have a Grand Design RV and you need a roof replaced, something that we do here for you. And you can see so far there's no bubbles or no wrinkles or none of that kind of fun stuff in the membrane. They will develop bubbles and blisters and wrinkles and stuff from cabin pressure and air, and they can do it on seams and whatnot, but it just depends. We try to, if you watch all of our other videos, when we put it on, we try to roll it out and basically work any of that stuff out of there to try to get it as nice as possible. So, all right, well, stay tuned for more. This is Dustin, Urban Specialist. Have a great day.